Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B with Monday's weekly update for the upcoming videos from 3B from me this week. So, what's going to happen this week? Well, there's a few things. First of all, there's some news regarding the water cooling of the EVGA 2080 Ti Black Edition. Some of you may remember that I was going to completely water cool my entire system. That turned out to be a bust because the kit that I was sent, that was from recommended and put together by a well-renowned company in the UK that specialise in overclocking, actually mixed components that were aluminium and copper. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. So after all that frustration and sending everything back, and thankfully they were pretty, accepted everything back, understandably, I got my refund. So I was going to wait for the EVGA. They do their own water cooling solution, which is basically a fan and essentially like what you would use for a CPU all in one. And then one of the users, actually one of the subscribers, I believe, actually sort of gave me a nod and a wink towards NZXT, I think it is, I can't remember it, and they do an all-in-one, well, not an all-in-one, it's like a black bracket with a fan that you then can use up to 30 different brands of all-in-one CPU coolers to then cool the GPU. And I kind of like the look of it. It does look sort of a little bit sort of nuts and bolts, but I've chosen a white one. I've ordered a CPU cooler, just a single fan size radiator that I can then put towards the back of the case. So I'll be doing that this week as soon as I get that. The other videos that I will be doing this week are mostly streaming. The key one really to pay attention to is that there's the Samsung news event, launch event, whatever you want to call it, on Wednesday, which will be around about 6:45 p.m. GMT, and I'll be streaming that live along with me sort of commenting and adding and sort of basically being annoying. Just expressing my opinion as it goes through, but I will keep quiet for most of it. And we'll see whether we get the foldable Samsung F or whatever it's going to be called. We certainly know we're going to get the S10 and possibly the S10X, which is just going to be ludicrous in terms of price, and not too sure of any mobile companies in the UK that are offering 5G, so I don't know how that fits in for us over here in the UK. Or in fact, many countries don't offer 5G, so who knows what Samsung are going to do there. But we'll be live streaming that. And then later today, we're doing more of Metro Exodus. We're doing that from 3 till 5 p.m. GMT. And then Friday, again, we're doing it from 3 till 5 p.m. on Metro Exodus. There was an issue, actually. We use Restream to stream both to where are we streaming? Twitch, Mixer, and to YouTube, all at the same time. When we use Restream to do that, apparently there was a problem with Restream over the last sort of 5 days or so with them moving servers, which caused some issues with the videos that not only I was streaming but also other people were streaming too. And I did get a few people sort of giving me a heads up that there were some issues. I did check on Twitch and I did check on YouTube, and again I saw those issues and it looked like tearing that was going on, but I obviously wasn't getting that on my screen. So hopefully Restream have fixed that. So those are the videos for this week. I will be hopefully showing you me installing this this bolt-on sort of agricultural nuts and bolts cooler from I think it's NZXT, and yeah, and we'll see how well that works, and we'll do some benchmarking with that, so possibly a couple of videos there. Keep an eye out for the Samsung video on Wednesday evening, around about 6:45. I think it starts at 7, and then there's the streaming videos as well, where we're playing Metro Exodus. Okay, thanks again, thanks for your support, and if you're in the chat when I'm playing a game, give us a nod, a wink, a nudge. You know what to do. Thanks again, take care, have a wonderful week.